In question number 12, find the quotient, simplify if possible. 5 6 divided by 7 12. Let's do this. 5 6 divided by 7 12. Write the dividend, change division into multiplication, and get the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 12 over 7. Now I can see 6 and 12 are divisible by 6. So 6 divided 6 is 1. 12 divided 6 is 2. Multiply. 5 multiplied 2 is 10. And 1 multiplied 7 is 7. And 10 divided 7, write 7 of course at the denominator. And 10 divided by 7 is 1. 1 multiplied 7 is 7. The remainder from 10. 1 multiplied 7 is 7. So the remainder from 10 is 3. So the answer is 1 and 3/7. Question number 13. One fourth divided by 8/3. Okay, let's do the same. 1/4 multiplied by 3/8. Simplify. So we can simplify here. There's nothing to do. I can simplify 4 and 3. So I will multiply. 1 multiplied 3 is 3, and 4 multiplied 8 is 32. So the answer is 3 over 32. In question number 14, which estimate should Bruce choose as the quotient of 35 and 9/10 divided by 4 and 1/3 to check his answer? Round the first number. Since 9/10 is greater than 1/2, so 35 and 9/10 is rounded to be 36. And here 4 and 1/3, since 1/3 is less than half, so it will be 4. So when the fraction is more than half, we add 1 to the whole number. If the fraction is less than half, so the whole number stay as it is. Okay, good. Now 36 divided by 4 is 9, so we'll choose 9. The same for the next question. We have here 65 and 7/10, and 7/10 is more than half, so this is approximately equal to 66. And 5 and half, so half here, so this is rounded to be 6. And of course 66 divided 6 is 11. Let's move to the next question. So I will make this 72 to be compatible number with 6. And 72 divided 6 is 12. So our estimation is 12. So let's find this division. We have 3 and 3/5 divided by 5 and 1/4. The first step, convert the mixed numbers into fractions. So we have the denominator 5, and 5 multiplied 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Do the same. For the divisor, we have 4 in the denominator, and 4 multiplied 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. I will remove the arrows again. Okay. Now, divide. So, write the dividend and change division into multiplication. Get the reciprocal of 21 over 4, which is 4 over 21. Simplify if you can. So, I have here 18 and 21. These two numbers are divisible by 3. So 18 divided 3 is 6, and 21 divided 3 is 7. Now multiply. 6 by 4, 24. 5 by 7 is 35. So the answer is 24 over 35. Let's move to the next question. What is the quotient of 2 and 1/5 divided by 6 and 3/5 in the simplest form? Okay. We need to divide 2 and 1/5 by 6 and 3/5. At first, convert each mixed number into a fraction, improper fraction. Write the denominator. 5 multiplied 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Write the denominator. 5 multiplied 6 is 30, plus 3 is 33. After that, start dividing. We have the dividend. Change division into multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Simplify if you can. So 5 divided 5 is 1, and also 5 divided 5 is 1. Also, we have 11 divided 11 is 1, and 33 divided 11 is 3. Now multiply 1 by 1. You will get 1, and 1 by 3 you will get 3. So the final answer is 1/3. Question 19. Evaluate 5m minus 2 if m is 3/7. Okay, substitute 5m minus 2, remove m, and write 3/7. So I will remove m and write, instead of m, I will write 3/7. Now multiply 5 by 3/7. We have denominator 1, so 15 over 7 minus 2. Now 15 over 7, that's 2 and 1/7. Remember that 2 multiplied 7 is 14. The remainder of 15 is 1, this one, minus 2. So 2 and 1/7 minus 2 is 1/7. So the answer is A. Question number 20. Substitute. We have here n divided 2/3, n divided by 2/3. As we did before, remove n and write 4/5. Okay, remove n and write 4/5 and find the value. Okay, write 4/5 and change division into multiplication and flip 2/3. Simplify if you can. So divide 2 is 2 and 2 divided 2 is 1. Multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and 5 multiplied 1 is 5. So 6/5, that's improper fraction, right? 5, and 6 divided by 5 is 1, and the remainder is 1. So the answer is 1 1/5. In question 21, solve for W. We have an equation here. We need to solve this equation. The equation is W minus 2/7 equal 1/9. To solve this equation, we need to remove 2/7 from this side, so we get W alone in one side. We need to find the value of W, okay? Okay, to do this, we will add 2/7 to both sides. So I can remove 2/7 and 2/7, minus and plus 2/7. And what we did here is add 2/7. We should do the same on the other side. So add 2/7 also. Now minus 2/7 and plus 2/7, that's 0. The remaining here in this side is W alone. In the other side, 1/9 plus 2/7. Let's do this. We need a common denominator. 7 multiplied 9 is 63. 9 became 63, so multiply by 7. Do the same for 1. 1 multiplied 7 is 7. And 7, it's now 63, so multiply by 9. Do the same for 2, multiply by 9 also. It will be 18. Now add, write the denominator, and 7 plus 18, that's 25. So W is 25/63. And the last question, question number 22, we have equation 3/8 equal to 24. Okay, let's solve this equation. We need to remove 3/8 from this side, so do the inverse operation of multiplication, because here we have multiplication. This is multiplication, so do the opposite, the inverse operation, which is division. So divide by 3/8. Of course, when we divide 3/8 by 3/8, it will be 1, and here we have k alone. To divide 24 by 3/8, write 24 and change division into multiplication. Get the reciprocal. Simplify if you can. So I have a denominator 1 here. Divided by 3 is 1, and 24 divided 3 is 8. So it's 8 multiplied by 8, which is 64, and down here we have 1 multiplied 1, which is 1, so we don't need to write it. Okay, so the answer is 64. That's all. Thank you guys. Goodbye.